Hello, I chose Seesaw as my LMS platform because I feel that this medium allows for straightforward activities and participation from both the students and the parents. I feel that that's extremely important now that we're in this corona pandemic. Um, I feel that online learning is extremely important, and my lack of online technology use prior to this class led me to use this medium because if I can navigate through all of this, I feel that parents could help their students. My target audience for this project was the parents and the students because I want to be teaching younger kids, and my LMS project was based on first graders that don't necessarily all know how to read, and I feel that their parents would guide them through these assignments. My first project that I made in my LMS project was a landmarks project. I created an introduction that had all the assignments that would be posted within this um, project. Right after this is the breakdown of all the different projects that we will be doing for the big landmark research project. I chose simple enough projects that students can kind of choose which landmark they want to work with, which pictures they want to draw, and what they want to research. I feel that the awesomeness about this project is that this sparks the students' curiosities and interests, and I feel that it would help have all this information stick if they genuinely were interested in what was being taught within the unit. Another thing was I created simpler projects because I wanted them to start getting a feel for technology from a younger age so that they can build from that and continue to prosper within their education using technology. My assignments are very reiterated for the students and the parents' benefit. I wrote the assignments, introductions, and layout all on the assignments, but I also recorded over because students are not going to be all on the same reading level. Another thing I did was I allowed for broad explanations to be accepted for the assignments, so the students can either find a picture online that they found while they were researching or draw a picture and upload it. I feel that this allows for students to broadcast their own abilities. I would like to use this type of medium within classrooms to ensure students learning even when they are not in the classroom, and for parents to be able to help within that learning when they are at home with their kids.